Meet the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen, a compact smart speaker powered by Alexa with improved sound and smart voice control. It lets you play music, control smart home devices, and get instant answers all hands-free. What's in the box? Amazon Echo Dot 5th Generation. Power supply. And user manual. Product overview. How to pair. Setting up the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Generation is simple with the Amazon Alexa app. First, plug the Echo Dot into power and wait for the light ring to turn orange, indicating it's ready for setup. Open the Alexa app, sign in with your Amazon account, tap the plus icon, choose Add Device, select Amazon Echo, and follow the prompts to connect the speaker to Wi-Fi. You can then choose your language, assign the device to a room, and complete setup. Once connected, Alexa will guide you through an introduction to voice commands, reminders, and smart features. In the app, you can also manage settings, enable Do Not Disturb, pair Bluetooth devices, adjust audio controls like bass and treble, and fully customize your Echo Dot for everyday use. Smart features? Delivers rich, balanced audio with enhanced bass and clearer vocals for a more immersive listening experience. Optimized drivers and tuning ensure consistent sound quality across music, calls, and media playback. Provides hands-free control for music, calls, reminders, and smart home devices using simple voice commands. Instantly responds to Alexa Wake Word, making everyday tasks faster and more convenient. Monitors the surrounding room temperature in real time for added environmental awareness. Helps you stay informed and adjust your space for better comfort and smart home automation. Connects seamlessly with compatible smart home devices like lights, plugs, and thermostats. Allows voice or app-based control to manage your home easily and automate daily routines. Boosts your home Wi-Fi coverage by extending the signal to weaker or dead zones. Ensures a more stable and reliable internet connection for streaming, gaming, and browsing across multiple rooms. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Generation from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Amazon Echo Dot 5th Generation. See you at the next one.